Hello students. In this video we will discuss concept of marketing. The concept of marketing also called as a marketing evolution. The marketing evolution or the concept of marketing has classified into five concepts: production concept, product concept, selling concept, modern marketing concept, societal marketing concept. First is that production concept. Production concept is most of the oldest concept in the business, and in this business the consumer are prefer those products which are widely available and inexpensive. That means in the production concept the consumer will prefer those products which are widely or which are available in very large quantity in less price. That means they are purchasing the huge quantity of product which are available into less price. That focus our customer is called as a production oriented concept. You can see manager of production oriented business always concentrated on three things. Always try to keep low cost of your product, distribution of your product in very large quantity, and improve the efficiency of production. These three things are considered by the manager of production oriented business. Next is that product concept. It holds that consumer will favor those products that are offer the most quality, performance or innovative features. We know that we are the customer and we always try to find out the new things, new features, new performance or new quality of product, and those company are providing the high quality of product, high performance or some innovative features. That product are always demanded by the customers. And in the product concept, the product manager are always try to give a high quality of product, give a high performance, and always try to involve new innovative features in these products. The manager of this organization focus on marketing superior product. They assume that buyer admire well made a product. You can see one sentence is that a good product sell by itself. If the you are producing a good quality of product, high performance of product or some innovative features in this product, the sale of this product has made automatically. You don't need to make advertisement because our product has high quality, high performance. So a good product sell by itself. They can sell itself because of the our qualities, our performance and some innovative features. Third point is that selling concept. It holds that consumer or customer and business concentrate on aggressive selling and promotion efforts. In this concept, the manager are always try to aggressive selling. They are try to sell more and more product, and also they consider the promotion efforts. Their different promotions activities are made by the manager for selling the goods. They make advertisement their product. They give a service to customers at a regular basis. After the selling the product, they provide us extra services for their customer, so customer will be satisfied, and if the customer are satisfied they will be demanded more product. So in the selling concept, the manager are always try to focus on selling the goods and make a promotion of your product. You can see that starting point has start with the factory, and the factory focus on the product, and that mean they focus on the selling and promotion. That mean the producer not consider that only the make a production of the product. They always try to marketing of that product. That means they always try to selling or promotion of their product for earning the profit. That is the main objective of any organization, earning the profit. But this profit will be earned when your product will be sold. So for the selling the goods or services, different activities are conducted in the selling concept. Next is that modern marketing concept. It holds that the key to achieve its organizational goals consists of company being more effective than the competitor in creating, delivering and communicating superior customers value to its target markets. You can see in the modern marketing concept, they always try to give, or they always try to achieve the organization goals, but that goals you can achieve when you are give the high quality of product, high performance of product, some innovative features than your competitor, and you are creating, you are delivering and communicating the superior quality of product than your competitor, that satisfy the customer. So customers value will be increases, and it will be help to achieve the organization goals. The starting point has factory and the focus on the your product means selling and promotion, and ends with the profit through the customer satisfaction. When the customers are satisfied, they always try to purchase the large quantity of product. That means it will help to increase the profit of your organization. Without the customer demand, you cannot be earned the profit. For the purpose of the earning this profit, you must be provide, you must be creating, you must be uh, delivering, and you must be communicating the superior customers value in your product. Superior customers value in the sense that the features of your product is as per the requirement of your customers. That is a modern marketing concept. Next is that societal marketing concept. It is nothing but humanistic marketing and ecological marketing. It holds that the organization task to be determine the needs, wants and interests of target market, and deliver and desire satisfaction more effectively and efficiently than the competitor, in a way that preserve or enhances the customers and society well-beings. We know that we are the part of our society. We are taking the different uh, parts or different activities from your society, and our responsibility is that give a high quality of product in minimum price to your society, so that product can be satisfy the needs, wants or interests of our customers. So they always try to that focus on our target market. If the target markets are satisfied than the competitor product, then the customer will be demanded your product, and it will be help to enhance the brand image of your organization in the customer's mind, and that is enhanced to customers and also society to purchase the product of your organization without any information or without any doubt. That is the societal concept. Thank you. Any suggestion, any comments, you can write in the comment box.